Natalie with WTI, and this is my new happy place. It's on my storage bench from GDF Studio Store. I love having this bench inside of my living room because one, it is so comfortable. Two, it makes the room look so elegant with its rolled arms and its button tuft design on the bench. And three, it can hold so much storage. Since I have it in my living room, I currently have my son's toys inside of here. And I really appreciate that I can have all of his toys in here because it removes the hot mess inside of my living room. Instead, everything is nice and organized inside of this storage bench. And this is perfect for any room, not even in your living room. You can put it inside of your bedroom. You can roll blankets and store them inside. It's perfect for any room because of how versatile it is. Up close, you can see how beautiful the blue color is. So if you're looking to give your room an upgrade and add storage while doing so, definitely check out this storage bench. That's my point of view.